So this tutorial is going to be about how to make these beautiful fan flower earrings for spring. I don't know about you, but I'm so excited for spring to be here. So you just find any beautiful flowers that you might want to work with from Walmart, like that's where I got these from, or your dollar store. I apologize. There's a lot of times where I'm recording and you just can't see my hands. But if you're interested in seeing a more clear video, please comment below and I'll reshoot the whole thing. It's very simple. You just go ahead and disassemble that flower. Find a few of the petals that you like. I chose smaller ones because I didn't want the fans to be too large. So you need 2 flowers, or 1, depending on the flower you buy, and 2 ribbon ends. As you see there, I've got nice moon-shaped ribbon ends that are made of brass. I do have quite a few of them. I may post them in my Etsy store for purchase if you would like to give it a shot with that. You'll also need some sort of fabric glue or 527 or maybe E6000 just to secure the petal into that ribbon end because you don't want them sliding all over the place. And then you're also going to need your earring hooks, and that's all. Enjoy and let me know if you have any questions. And that's all. You put the hook on, you're done. So it just takes a couple simple folds, putting it into your ribbon end, pinch that off, glue it in, and you're all set. Look at those. So cute, so cute. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, Rustic Glam, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.